In this video we will make auto with gear. So you see the material list, again the same combination. We have like two wheels and two big wheels and two like paper with for gear. It will be like bigger than this but the smaller from this one, and we have one like plastic and three pipes. Again we have three wooden stick and also two more round stick. Okay, we will start with the same way, and we will put our battery to our battery bed. Let's start from okay, our motor is still turning, and like always remember that the motor always turns from black one to the red one in this way. So I will start with my chassis, and the chassis always will be like this in this condition, okay, and here I will put my wheels and here will be the front. Okay, let's start it. The first car is made by Carl Benz in 1880s. So these are our material list, but in general the cars are made by 30,000 parts. But in these days Tesla are made by only one part, but in general the 30,000 parts they are using. This is our like main gear, and right now what we're gonna do, we will make our like back gear. How we gonna do that? First I have to cut this one, or have like too small, like this. So but this one gonna be our gear. For gear, we will put this one here and the other one will come here. Okay, let's put some glue. Okay, over here. Look, bigger than this. You can use like paper or like plastic for here, doesn't matter. The important thing is bigger than small one and smaller than big one. We will see for what. Okay, now I will get my like a long stick, and first of all my first wheel. Okay, and after that I will put one pipe, and after pipe I will put my gear. Be careful that you should find the middle, otherwise will have a balance problem. I hope it's in the middle. If not, I can do it one more time. It's a bit hard to bring it here. Okay, after that second pipe, and after that my wheel. This is my gear. Okay, this gear will be stand here. Let's see. Okay, I will put this one like that, and my gear will be here. But first of all, what I gonna do, I will put my like plastic band to here. Okay, and right now I will put some glue here and also here. And first of all, my first pipe will be here, and my second pipe will be here. This is my main gear position. Okay, a bit far. Okay, like this. Okay. Now, my gear is almost ready, and my motor will be here, and it will turn to forward. Don't forget, it will go like this. But how I gonna mount it? I will put this one first, and I will measure this one. It will be not so straight, not so strong, not so weak, like in general like this. It's like a bit maybe much or a bit like around here. But if you do like this, it will never turn. If you make like this, it's also never turn. Then I think here is almost good for me. Okay, I put this one like this to here. and it will be in the straight position, otherwise my last one will go this way, and I will put my button here. You know, this is an electric car. The electric car also like start to made at the end of 18,000. So this will be an electric car also. You know, right now there's some electric cars, cars with gasoline, but also a hybrid one that work with gasoline and also with electric. And as you know, in these days also there are some cars that they can drive by themselves. Okay, this will also a fast car, but for that one I also need the front wheels. How can I do that? Okay, wheel and pipe and wheel. Wheel, pipe and wheel. Okay, this is my front wheel. I will release a bit. Okay, that's also good. And I will put this one to front. Yes, my car is almost ready. How it's gonna work or doesn't work. So when you start, it's working, but this band always go out. Then what we do here? I will put some glue here. I put glue here, not so much. And this glue will hold my elastic band here. Okay. And of course I will correct this one. Okay. This is my car. And I'll take the other silicones from here. And if I put this one here, it will be all work, I think. But please like take attention that this will not be bigger than this one, otherwise it will like crash to the ground. If it will be smaller than this one, the elastic again will go. Okay, then right now I will put it to my motor and then to here again. Right now it's almost done. I will put it a bit back. Look, right now it's turned, and the elastic stay here, also stay here. And if you put it down, it's like going fast. Look. So what it makes here, like a bit harder. So you should take care about the connection is like the cables are really attached to the motor. If you have any problem here, okay, and then try again, and then take it off and take it back again and check if there is something really hard to turn or not. If it doesn't work, then bring the motor a bit like here. Okay, look, right now it's working. It is auto with gear.